In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a sales dashboard in Power BI, perfect for 2025. First, let's start by opening up Power BI on your computer. Once it's open, you'll be greeted with the home page. From here, click to add a blank report. Think of this blank report as your canvas, your starting point before we start adding layers of visual data that will eventually paint a full picture of your sales metrics. Next, we'll need to get your data into Power BI. To do this, locate the Get Data button, usually found on the top ribbon, and click on it. This is where you can select your data source. Whether you're pulling data from an Excel spreadsheet, a SQL server, or even a cloud-based service, Power BI has you covered with a variety of connectors. Go ahead and navigate through the options to select your data source. Once you've chosen, follow the prompts to load your dataset. This might take a few moments depending on the size of your data. With your data now imported, it's time to decide how you want to visualize it. Power BI offers a myriad of options for data visualization, from bar and pie charts to more advanced visuals like scatter plots and maps. Consider what kind of insights you want to draw from your data. Do you need to identify trends over time? A line graph might be your best bet. If you want to compare sales performance across different categories, a bar chart could be ideal. Select the visualization type that best suits your needs and drag it onto your blank report canvas. Now that you have your desired visualization chosen, the next step is to populate it with data. You'll do this by dragging the relevant data fields into the values area. Here's a tip. Power BI will suggest where each field might best fit based on the type of visualization you selected. This makes it easier to build a meaningful dashboard without getting bogged down in the details. Pay attention to these suggestions to quickly get your dashboard in shape. Finally, let's make our dashboard interactive and informative by adding a tooltip. Drag the data you want to highlight into the tooltip section found under your visualization pane. Tooltips are handy because they provide additional context when you hover over data points, allowing users to glean more details without overcrowding the visualizations themselves. This is especially useful for a sales dashboard, where every bit of information can guide strategic decision making. Just to summarize, you've learned how to start a blank report, import your data, choose the right visualization, and enhance it by adding data headers into the tooltip section. Power BI is a powerful tool, and with continued practice, you'll find even more ways to customize your dashboards for impactful data storytelling. So keep experimenting and exploring all the features it has to offer. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial valuable in creating your sales dashboard. Happy dashboarding!